understand that I'm not coming here to sell you anything. It feels like people want to be sold things, want to be told lies, and want to be told whatever. Like, is the new thing just like content creators tell you lies, tell you to buy stuff, tell you that this is amazing when it's not, because they're only getting paid for it? Is that like the new thing? Because when you have content creators like myself and those that are not trying to sell you anything, it's like, what's happening? Like, I'm literally here with substance to share things when maybe social media might disappear and it's never there again. I'm gonna leave you some nuggets, some things that you can sit with that's gonna help you in your everyday life, with your finances, your mental, your all the things, your home, all of that. Like, I just don't understand. Like, I don't want to be fake. I'm feeling like I may need to just pull away in some areas and just step away from social media altogether, because I am a whole individual that is a mom. I have things that I'm doing, but it feels like this is beginning to be redundant and my views are dropping crazily. And if you know me, I'm human. We only can take so much of seeing things that's just unfair. I don't know what's going on with the algorithm. I don't understand why this is happening, and it's beginning to be frustrating. Like, let me just live my life. I don't need to share anything. Like, let me just live my life, because my sharing is not just for likes. It's not just for anything. I just don't want it to be in vain. And I feel like I'm wasting my time. Like, I just don't know what God is doing, what's happening. I've been faithful. I've been consistent. I even tried sticking to, they say, stick to a schedule for 90 days. I did that for over 90 days. I did Sunday and Monday, 6 p.m. I've done that for over 90 days, and nothing, like, literally my views went all the way up. They almost doubled, right? And then they went all the way back down. I was loading shorts at least 2 or 3 times a week. I would load a short. Sometimes I'll load a couple in a day, but I was consistently loading so people would know. They say you want your people to know when you're loading. I was even putting reminders in my shorts. I was even premiering my videos. I was doing all of the things. All of the things. If you know something or you think something I might need to try, one thing I'm not going to do is do anything that's out of my element and make me feel uncomfortable. I'm very uncomfortable to the point where I just literally want to step away. I want to step away, walk away, and just say, screw it. This doesn't pay me anything. Like, I take the time, energy, and if y'all understand, if I'm giving you a 30+ minute video, that was hours of my time that I can't get back, that I have to edit down to give you that content. Versus me just coming and cleaning my kitchen or doing a plant or doing a DIY. There's so many DIYs that I still haven't done. Like, I put this up. I didn't even show y'all me doing this yet. The towel on the side, I didn't show y'all doing this. The black and white zigzag, I didn't show y'all that. The caulking, the black caulk tape, I got putting that up, putting in the bathroom, tiling my bathrooms. I didn't show none of that. Those are things that are real dear to me, and for me to put such things out and show my creativity and it just flops, that makes me feel some type of way. It's like everybody has to do the same thing. If your thumbnail's not looking the same, if you're not making things look a certain way, it's like, I don't know, it's frustrating. It's very frustrating. And I said I wouldn't say this, but I'm a human, like I said, and it is very irritating to see people come on here and talk about nothing and do nothing and share nothing and don't have no substance to offer you that you could pass down to your children or anything. And I'm not saying every word that I say is always teaching, but every video that I share, it's always something that you can take from to save you money, time, stress. It's always something. I'm always sharing something. With your health, with your wellness, something. I'm always sharing something. And y'all, I am getting so burnt out. I'm getting so burnt out. Like, I have an unboxing. I didn't even do my front door. I was supposed to paint the front door, put a new reef up, put my rug up. That's still sitting there. I'm living life. We're living life. We're traveling. We're having a ball. And we're doing things. Like, today was supposed to be me doing my laundry, because it's laundry, and I'm like, do I even want to be bothered to be that type of video? This is the reef project, the reefs and stuff here. I didn't even put those up yet. These are all the things I wanted to unbox. So much stuff I want to do. I got so many videos that I have not released to y'all on DIYs, putting my curtains up, putting my dining room together, putting the artwork, like all of this stuff. I know y'all see these things done, but I haven't shared the videos because I just feel like it's a waste of my time. I feel like it's a waste of my time. Like I want to just literally disappear from social media and just not be bothered altogether, because it's beginning to be very frustrating. And all I ask is you share. I don't ask nobody to buy nothing from me. I don't ask nobody. I don't come up with sob stories telling people I need a GoFundMe and send me money and my housewarming. I'm starting over as a single mom, starting over by myself, right? I haven't even done a housewarming. You get what I'm saying? I'm seeing people married with fancy jobs or fancy husbands, got all this money and got all these things going on, and they're getting amazing, like all of this, just people just giving. I don't ask for nothing. I don't want, all I want y'all to do is watch my content and share my content. What am I doing wrong? Like, what am I doing wrong? Like, I'm going to be me. I know people who's not even as energetic as me, and they're very calm. That's who I am. I'm not one for getting on here. I don't curse. I don't do the most. I don't talk about nobody's business. I don't talk about nobody's content. I don't talk about what nobody else has going on. I stay in my lane, and it's just so ironic. I wish, like, not trying to be funny, like at this point, like they can get rid of social media. Like that's how I feel, because it's just like, it's tainting us. And if you're not doing a certain thing, you're not relevant to certain people. Like you have to be doing certain things, like beating your face, putting all this stuff on. You have to be doing certain things, I feel, in order, or just keep putting up irrelevant, unnecessary content just to stay in the algorithm. I don't know. I do have a life. You get what I mean? Like, I just don't understand it. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this up. I might, but y'all, I'm frustrated. I'm frustrated. And I do have a video. Y'all gonna see the plant video that I put up. We just got back yesterday from out of town. When I say we've been traveling and doing us and enjoying life, creating moments, memories and things, that's my thing. If you've been rocking me on Instagram and all that, you know it's memories over material. Like creating, like it's priceless. It's priceless. Those things are priceless. When social media falls apart or whatever happens with it, I feel like it's a setup to get people in a certain mindset. That's why I'm like, God, is that why you're not letting certain people do certain things, and then some people you letting them just get a little taste of it? I don't know. I don't know. I would love to have a taste of what it's like to get rewarded for my content, my time and energy. That would feel amazing. But at this point, y'all, I just really don't know if I want to be bothered at all. Then I'm like, okay, I got Sundays and Mondays. So on my way back from my vacation I just came back from, I'm like, maybe I'm going to change the date. I'm going to give it one more try, and I'm going to change the date. Instead of Sundays and Mondays, I'm going to pick 2 different days where they're not close together. Only reason I did Sundays and Mondays is because the analyst and the algorithm shows that that's when a lot of people come to my channel and watch the content, the higher views. Okay, so that's why I did. I don't believe in that. I just feel like that stuff is just, I don't know. I don't know. So I'm like, maybe I'll do Sunday, because Sunday is still a high day and it's the weekend and most people are chilling, and then do like a Wednesday or Thursday, you know, something like that. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. So you'll get this video. You'll see this video. I'm about to clean the dishes. Well, actually I was about to put them up because we just got back. So these are all the stuff that was clean. I might still do my unboxing. I don't know. I might just make it a separate video. And then maybe I won't have a schedule. Maybe I'll just make sure I get so many videos out in a week. At least 2. Because I'm like, well, maybe I should add a 3rd video. That way they're not waiting all the way to the end of the week and then coming back. Because I know I don't really like waiting when I love watching someone's content and it's like a whole week before another video come out. But I was trying to follow the algorithm. I mean, follow y'all, I'm so tongue-tied. I'm just so frustrated. Analysis says about my content views. So that's what I did, and that didn't work. It's not doing anything. So I'm gonna try some other things. I need y'all to bear with me, work with me. I'm gonna try what I feel is best. I'm gonna take some advice for y'all, but if that's not doing anything after I give myself a certain amount of time, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. It's not worth my time. I literally don't get paid nothing on here. Like literally, people think my money come from me. No, it does not. I literally get paid nothing on here. Like literally my last check was held because I didn't even make $100 and I had to wait, and it just came to me for the last 2 months for like 180. And I can show that to you. Like I don't have no problem. I'm not a liar. I don't make stuff up. I don't do any of that. My money does not come from YouTube at all. It doesn't come from YouTube. So it's literally a waste of my time. The time that I take editing a video, I could have went and I could have had a job or a part-time job that would have paid me more for the time it takes to edit a video, create the content. We just talking about editing. We're not talking about creating the content, moving the camera, taking the camera, placing the camera, drying my hands off so I can touch the camera, stop the camera. All of that just to, like, when I could come in here, I could knock these dishes out and do and put these dishes up. I got dishes in the sink because I just made me some watermelon juice, watermelon and coconut juice, pineapple juice, and then clean those, put these up, throw my clothes in the washer. That won't even take me 20 minutes. But if I'm recording, it might take about 45 minutes to an hour because I'm trying to get angles and trying to show things and talk or whatever. It's annoying. Then I'm like, maybe I should just do silent videos. Don't even say nothing. Just y'all watch me work. I don't know. I think that's best for me. I like to teach though. I'm such a teacher. I just feel like it's just weird to just watch and I'm not saying nothing, telling you why I use this, why I do this, how I do this, why it makes it easier. That's just me. So it's difficult. Like for me to pull away from what God has put in me, and that's a natural born teacher. It's weird for me to do videos like that when it's just silence. So sometimes I even want a voiceover. You know what I mean? Y'all, I am so over it. I'm so frustrated, and at this point I really need to think and figure this out. I actually am going to give y'all this video. Y'all probably get this Sunday, today. Y'all probably get this today. Yeah, because, and then I'll try to do the plant video sometime next week. But yeah, I'm frustrated, guys. I'm frustrated. I don't even know. I don't know what to do. I'm trying. I know some of y'all like, and I've said it, if it's just one person, yes, that sounds good, but nobody wants to waste their time just for one person. Like, I'm being honest. I don't want to waste my time just for one person or two or three. I really don't. Like, I'm so serious. I got so much going on and my life is really real, and I really help people and teach people some things that change generations, to the point where I feel like I'm being played on YouTube. I feel like I'm being played. I'm being undermined as far as like devalued and everything, like, and it makes me so sick because it's people that's making thousands and thousands of views on a video, and they're just speaking in regards to what they've heard. They have no substance, no wisdom, no experience behind them. But when you have people with real wisdom, real substance. I'm a mom of a 16-year-old, 22-year-old, and a 27-year-old. I've been married for 18 years. You get what I'm saying? Like, I can talk about marriage, I can talk about parenting, I can talk about breastfeeding, I can talk about buying multiple houses, I can talk about being a business owner, I could talk about a lot of those things. You got these young people coming up and their channels is just blowing up because what they're doing is copying and mimicking things to make you think that they're so wise for their age, and it's making you amused, but they really don't have no full-blown substance. Substance is a whole different level of what come out your mouth. You could talk one, but if your actions, and you never had to walk in the shoes of certain things, it means nothing to me. Like, social media is so flipped. It got our minds all messed up. Everybody think they're going to be rich and famous. Nobody cares about truly educating themselves. And I'm not talking about going to school. I'm talking about educating yourself on stuff that's going to change generations. The wealth, all of that. That's what I'm talking about. And it's so freaking frustrating. If I'm not showing cleavage or getting something done or doing this, or not cleavage, but just showing my body or just showing a certain way, I am a modest woman. I'm a classy woman. I desire to uphold myself a certain way. I'm not getting on here a certain way. You know what I mean? I'm just not. Like, things, it's frustrating. It's so frustrating. I'm trying not to leave, but in my deeper parts, it's like, yeah, but it'll be a stress relief. I ain't got to worry about when I'm loading and if I got something to load and what I want to load and all that. I don't have to worry about none of that. I don't. Like, I don't. I do want some coffee, and I do got to unbox that stuff. So take what you will from this. Social media sucks. Like, it really does. It really sucks. It really sucks. It sucks for people who are really true and genuine. And I'm not understanding why people not getting it. Have you not seen so many people fall apart and be exposed, their relationships, their marriages, and their money, or the way they claim that they're this as far as health and wellness and getting their body together and going to the gym? So many people have been exposed. Are y'all not getting it? Like, where do y'all want genuine, or do y'all want people that play in y'all face? It feels like this is the era of give me whatever that makes me feel good. I don't care if people playing in my face, extorting me, lying to me, just give it to me. And those are the things that seem to grow. Those are the things that seems to grow. Like, oh, it's sickening. It's sickening. All right, y'all, let me go. I got to clean my house and get stuff done so I can relax because, whew, yeah, later, y'all.